What's good, scholars? It's your girl Gabby here, and I am back with a brand new video and a brand new setup, if you can't tell. If you are new to the channel, go ahead, do me a favor, become a part of the graduating class, subscribe right now. All it takes is a quick click of that red button. If you are a subscriber, I do want to apologize to you. I know that I have been AWOL for the last couple of weeks, but that is because I finally released this book. As you can tell from the video title, this is a book unwrapping. The book went out officially last Sunday, which was also my birthday, so extra exciting. So I've been spending the last maybe month or two really putting all of my energy into making sure that this book was ready to go, that it had everything that I wanted to have in it, and also planning for the launch party, which was also last weekend on Saturday. Very nice, very cute and small, and you know, very, very celebratory of the big moment for me. So just to give you guys kind of like a short background, this book is like my baby. I have been working on this since probably after I graduated from undergrad. I had the idea initially and I kind of sat on it, knew I didn't have the funds to really do things the way that I wanted to do them. I went away to grad school, so that kind of put a stop on things, and then I didn't really get serious about it until maybe the end of 2018. So this has really been about 5-6 years in the making, and it's finally out there for people to buy and read and learn from. So this is a big moment for me. I remember a few years back, like right after I graduated from Bradley, which is where I went for undergrad, I did a sermon for Young People Sunday, which was something that was kind of like a tradition at my childhood church. And I remember saying that I wanted to be a media mogul. And for a long time after I did that, I really thought that I wasn't going to reach that. Like, it just wasn't going to happen. I was very content with where I was and what I was doing. And it's funny how years down the line, what you say and what you speak out into the air comes into fruition, whether you realize it or not. So like I said, this is a very big moment for me. It's been a very big year for me in general, just as far as growth and major changes within my life and losing people that I did not think I was going to lose. So this book is kind of the culmination of that growth for me. So I'll talk a little bit more about how the book came together and all that good stuff, but let's go ahead and unbox this. So I said I bought a few copies. I didn't buy as many as I probably should have bought, but yeah, so that's why the box is small. And then the book is only about 89 or 90 pages. So I wanted to make sure that I kept the book short because I know that a lot of us don't read like that. So I didn't want to give people 200-300 pages to read, because 9 times out of 10, you ain't gonna read all that. So I really wanted to keep it short, straight to the point, right? So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box. I've got my box cutter here. I am kind of nervous because there are some people who have already received their books, and please excuse, I don't know if there's a beeping going on this video, but I'm recording this on my phone. There's a lot going on, so if you hear, you know, some beeping or something, unfortunately that's what it is, y'all. Okay, but yeah, I'm a little nervous about how this book is going to look. Some people have already received theirs. They've been posting it on social media. And I'm like, am I gonna really like this the way this is set up in person? So this is my first time seeing this book like in front of me, okay? So y'all are getting to see me see it for the first time. Here it is. It's my book. really set in yet that I'm an actual like published author. It's like not clicking in my brain that this is an actual thing. But this is the book. This is the way that it looks. I know it's a little weird because I have my ring light, but this is it. This is the back. It's got a little bio on there about the book, and then my picture, and of course the guide logo. Like I said, this book is not super duper long. I wanted to keep it short, so it's about 80 or 90 pages. Wow. This is crazy. Like, I don't think it's really hitting me that like I have a whole book out. Like, there are people that I don't know that are going to read this, and hopefully they're going to you know, grow from it. So I mean, that's my ultimate goal. The book is pretty much, if you do not know, just a compilation of some of the most pivotal moments from my college experience, and believe me, I had quite a few of them. But I took the 11 most important things that I learned from being an undergrad and put them in this book. Every chapter has a reflection page, so you can see it here. So you're able to kind of write what you thought about the chapter and what you can take away from it. I am just excited, right? Like I said, there's going to be people that I don't know that are really going to benefit from this book. There are issues in it that I made a point to put in there, especially being students of color. I talk about things in this book that are very, very specific to students of color. Is this book for every college freshman or every student who is an undergrad? Yes, of course. But some of the things that I talk about in here are really specific to students of color. So if you know anyone who's a student of color who's currently in high school that wants to go to college, or maybe even they're just on the fence, or maybe they are currently a college freshman, or maybe they are a sophomore or a junior, or maybe even a senior, this is the perfect book for them. There's so many different lessons in here that I feel like everyone at some point can learn from, no matter where they are in their college experience. So yeah, this book is available on Amazon. It is 20 bucks. A lot of us spend a lot more money on other things, so 20 bucks should not be the end all be all for you. So yeah, this is like insane. It's crazy. I don't want to make this book too long, but I'll end it by saying this. Again, this was a long time coming. This was about a 5 or 6 year project, and my main goal with this is to make sure that whatever student reads this walks away feeling empowered. They walk away with knowledge, knowing that whatever it is that they've dealt with, there's somebody else out there who has dealt with it too, that they're not in this alone, and that they can do it, right? A lot of students, especially students of color, they go away to school and they don't finish because a lot of the things that are talked about in this book, whether it's relationships or academics or feeling like they don't belong or not really knowing what it is that they're doing or not having support from home, whatever the case may be, I feel like at some point this book touches on it, and it gives kind of a like the book says, a guide to how to get through it. So again, my goal, my prayer is that students would grow from it and become better as a result of reading this book, and just know that there are other people out there who have been through it and we finished, and some of us have gone on to go to grad school or get our doctorate or own businesses or become vice presidents of Fortune 500 companies. It is possible for you to be great, for you to be amazing, and for you to do whatever it is you want to do. So yeah, the guide 11 lessons for college freshmen is out. It is on Amazon. I will put the link below for you to go ahead and order. Please, 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 again, share this video, share the link, and let students know about this book. right, guys, I said I didn't want to make this too long. That's the unboxing video. I'm excited. Bye, guys.